Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify file upload security with AWS S3 pre-signed URLs, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify file upload security with AWS S3 pre-signed URLs, you need to follow these steps. Start by creating an AWS account if you don't already have one. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service in the Services menu. Create a new S3 bucket where you will upload files. Make sure to configure the bucket's permissions carefully to enhance security. Select the bucket and then go to the Permissions tab. Set the bucket policy to allow access only through pre-signed URLs. Next, you'll want to install the AWS SDK for your preferred programming language. If you're using Python, install the Boto 3 library as your AWS SDK. Import the necessary libraries in your Python script. Create a session with your AWS credentials. Define the S3 bucket name and the object key, which is the name of the file you want to upload. Now, generate a pre-signed URL for file uploads using Boto 3. Set an expiration time for the pre-signed URL to enhance security. Define the content type for your file upload, such as image/JPEG or application/PDF. Use the generate_pre-signed_URL method to create the URL. Now log the URL to your console or send it to the client who will be uploading files. Share the pre-signed URL securely with the client. On the client side, execute a PUT request to the pre-signed URL using tools like Postman or a custom application. Verify that the file is uploaded to the S3 bucket. Check the S3 Management Console to see if the file appears in your bucket. If uploaded successfully, confirm the integrity and security of the file. Consider implementing additional checks, such as file type and size validation. Regularly review your bucket policies and permissions to maintain a secure environment. By following these steps, you can ensure the security of file uploads using AWS S3 pre-signed URLs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.